All right, YouTube, what's up? I'm back with another video. All right, today we're going to discuss some terms, and the terms are just basic market terms. You have your limit orders, you have your shorting, short squeeze, T3 account, stock chart analysis, penny stocks, all the good stuff. So first we're going to go over the candlestick. Candlestick is very helpful for when you put your price levels and want to price stocks and want to see if it's a downtrend, uptrend. Use those high and low sticks. And an individual brokerage account is just an account for yourself. You don't trade for others. You just trade your money. And it's just simple as that. And buying stocks is just simple as just pressing the buy order. As long as you have enough money or feel comfortable enough with enough money to put in that position, press buy. A buying limit is you being filled at that specific price. You don't get filled at a price less or a price more. You get filled at a specific price. And the same thing for a sell limit. You get filled at a specific price. You want to get out at such and such price. You can place a limit order. And selling stocks. When you sell your stock, you're going to get a realized gain. When you haven't sold it yet, it is still unrealized. So you have nothing yet until you sell the stock. Good until cancel is just a duration. It lets you know that this order is good until you cancel it. So if it hasn't been filled, you can cancel it whenever you want to. Good until today lets you know that that order is good through today. If it hasn't been filled for today, it is going to be canceled at the end of the trading day. A margin account is used for shorting stocks. Now, with a margin account, your broker will let you borrow against your balance, and they charge interest on it, not too much. Short selling is just you borrowing shares from your broker and selling it back and then paying you the difference, and that's exactly how you short a stock. Short squeeze is you saying that you buy it at the peak and you want it to keep falling, but somehow it keeps rising and your profits keep diminishing. And a good example of a short squeeze is the green is your profits and the red is the losses. So once it crosses over that white line, you're getting squeezed out of that position. Penny stocks get promoted the day before or in the middle of the day, and they send out emails and they show you which one to play and how to play it. And to the left of this is the penny stock ticker, and to the right is the disclaimer, and that shows how much that broker or that promoter was paid that day. And blue chip stocks are just pretty much, your Apple, your Berkshire Hathaway, Google, or whatever it is, your NASDAQ. Level 2 quotes are very helpful for whenever you want to place an order or a limit order. It shows the number of active buyers and sellers, so you can feel a price if you see it. All right, and then this is stock chart analysis. This is where all the fun happens. You have your level 2 quotes going, your live news. You have your watch list going, and this is your T3 account. This is a cash account. This is for everybody who has under $25,000 in their account, and you have to wait 3 days after every single transaction. Okay, and right here we have the stock trading. We have the short-term trading versus long-term investing, and this is just the pros and cons of. Okay, next up we have portfolio allocation, and that just depends on what kind of investor or trader you are. If you want to have 60% of your money in investments, go ahead. If you want to have 40% of your money just waiting to be settled or waiting to trade around with, go ahead. But it depends on what kind of investor or trader you are. You can be passive or aggressive or balanced if you want. And the last slide is volume. And volume is just letting you know how many shares were exchanged on that day. And pretty much it is a total of buyers and sellers. So it doesn't give you, half buyers, half sellers. It gives you the whole thing. Okay. And that's just it for volume. I know I have a long-term position in Berkshire Hathaway B-class shares. Also, some brokers to play around with for beginners. I would suggest be Robinhood, and only because Robinhood is free commission. Usually, if you have any other broker, they charge you a commission to put in your order, a commission to sell, and Robinhood doesn't charge anything, and I think that is very cool. The last trade I made a couple cents, and I'm pretty sure if you did that with TD Ameritrade or Scottrade, you'd have to pay a hefty $10 commission fee and your cents back. So it'd been like you just paid the broker $20 and nothing happened to your account. But with Robinhood, they give the beginner a chance to grow their account without paying that $10 fee. And also, I have a brokerage account with TD Ameritrade, a brokerage account with Scottrade, and a brokerage account with Robinhood. Full disclosure, I trade with my TD Ameritrade just penny stock sometimes. I know Robinhood. I've just started getting into penny stocks with the Robinhood account since I follow the right promoter. And you just have to look out for these promoters. I'm pretty sure you can Google penny stock promoters, and you can find a ton of information if you want. But right now, I think the oil trade is what's gonna grow everybody's account right now since it broke through 50 today. And that's about it. I'll see you guys the next video, and I hope you learned something. If not, go back, screenshot these slides, and this will let you know pretty much if you're comfortable with the terms and things like that. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. My next video will be just about stock chart analysis, and it's very educational, and you're going to learn how to pretty much analyze a stock, analyze if it's worth investing or worth trading pretty much. And that's all I have. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.